Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to the Easter Basket collaboration. The hosts are Jessica at My Rose Nature and Small Town 6. I hope you enjoyed what I created for my loved ones for Easter. Okay, here's the Easter baskets I made. As you can see, one is for my husband and the other one is for our two dachshunds and Yorkie. In other words, Trixie, Oscar, our dachshund, and our little boy, Yorkie, Bandit. So here's what we got the puppies. I got them 3 Peep toys. This is for Bandit. This is for Oscar. And this one's for Trix. And then I got them 3 treats. One's banana pumpkin. One is, it's chicken and carrots. That'll be Bandit's. The Yorkie loves his carrots. And this one here is sweet potato and banana. And then I got him a little thing that says good dog. And in one of my favorite colors, the turquoise. And that is what I got them. And then this is my husband's. I got him his favorite. He loves his Reese's. A Reese Rabbit. I got him some caramel popcorn to take with the truck. Take to the truck. I got him some red flaming hot Cheetos. Yum. And some chips. And some Junior Mint eggs. Some Butterfingers. Some Babe Ruth. And his favorite, the Crunch Bar. But what I got the basket in was a hat that says the Dog Father. Because he is the best dog dad ever and he loves his puppies. So I decided that was what I would pick him up for Easter. And it's all snacks that he can take with him as a truck driver. And he will probably wear this on the road because he loves to wear his baseball caps. But these are ideas for you to get your husbands or sons something for Easter, but not make them look like they're a little boy. And something you can get your puppies that they'll love for Easter when you have a husband and puppies at home. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please comment because I love to hear from you. Please like the video if this helped you find ideas for your hard to find husband or son for Easter because they're getting a little older. Or something for your puppies because they love you all year long. Happy Easter, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of my family. Talk to you later. Bye.